Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be installing the air suspension on the MR2 SW20. Okay, so we're outside now, car's in the air. We're currently removing the existing suspension of the MR2 and we're going to replace it with the air suspension from D2. Old one's off. Huh? Okay, so we have Adam doing the gauges. Adam, hello. We're doing the gauges now, we're doing the interior work. This is what we're working with. This is where we've mounted the valves with the self-tapper screws, which are bronze. I think it's quite a nice look to it. Now we have to mount the gauges, which should look like something like that. Okay, welcome back guys to the parts now that we have passed all of the wires and the power supply wires to the back, where the air suspension setup will be in the trunk. At the moment now we are currently wiring up the relays and the power supplies, and we're looking for positions to mount everything in the trunk. So yeah, where are we now? We're getting ready to set up the compressors and all the power supply. Okay, so we have one compressor all wired up, ready to go. We're doing the second one now. Second compressor almost done. What are you wiring now?
Gonna wire
That's the relay. What is that? That's the... Which one is it?
85.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 85.
Yeah.
Negative wire.
Nice. And then what do we have to do?
We got to do the 85 wire, and then we got to do the actual 86, which goes to the switch for the airflow.
And that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, wiring's all done. Adam here, he's finishing with the power supply, yeah, and it's looking good. We're just gonna tidy things up now. Okay guys, we have it slightly done. What do you guys think? It's just a temp. We have to like finish tightening everything, but this is what it's going to look like. Or should we leave it like this, so just on the floor, the wooden cardboard thing that we got to hold everything together, and not have the cream stand? What do you guys think? The trunk is done. Look at that. The trunk has never looked so good. Never ever has this trunk looked so good. When I first got it, it was all rusted with no carpet. Look at it now. Jeez.
That's what you are, my boy. I took the accelerated course before I started on this trip. It probably was too quick.
Alright guys, that's all it. That's the air suspension install for the Toyota MR2. We have a few things to button down on. We have to do the front drop links. We have to secure the gauges. And then that's it really, it's all done. So if you have any questions regarding the installation, or if you see anything a bit weird in the video, let us know. There's no air leaks. We had an air leak where the gauges were because we didn't put Teflon tape. I mentioned it in that part there. Other than that, kit was solid. It's a very good kit. We had to get spacers because the wheels were rubbing onto the bags, and that's a very dangerous thing. So we got some big spacers just for the time being now, because obviously I'm going to wide body the car and get bigger wheels. So just as temporary. And that's it guys. And for the next video is going to be a big one, because we have a first partner sponsor for the Toyota build. It's a big name, big company. We're happy to be working with them and happy for them to sponsor us on this. So if you want to know more about that, please subscribe. You know, we're trying to get to 1,000. It will mean a lot. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.